Best deals.
1. Dutch. Oval shape with high walls concentrates heat and cooks food from all sides. Ideal for layered dishes such as biryani, shepherd's pie and lasagna. Extra thick 7.5 mm base allows uniform heating without burning. Pressure die cast technology allows for metal thickness exactly where needed, so your pan is strong and heats evenly. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Steamer pot. Designed for making soft idlis, mini idlis, dokla, modak, dumplings, and steaming vegetables. Perfect for preparing healthy meals with minimal oil. Comes with 4 idli plates with 9 idli slots each along with a mini idli plate, allowing you to cook multiple idlis at once for family meals. Made from high-quality food-grade stainless steel that is rust-resistant, durable, and safe for everyday kitchen use. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Saucepan. Even heat distribution enables fast cooking which helps in preserving food nutrients. Healthier dishes, for sure. Tri-ply sandwich bottom is made of 3 layers of metals. Durable, scratch and rust resistant. No dents or bulging. Aesthetically designed for enhanced safety and convenience. Perfect for daily use in urban lifestyle. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Frying pan. Pre-seasoned with natural oils, providing a non-stick surface that enhances the flavor and requires less cooking oil. Compatible with all stovetops, including induction, making it versatile for any kitchen setup. Comes with a sturdy glass lid to lock in moisture and flavors, allowing you to monitor your cooking without lifting the lid. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Container. Ideal for storing dry fruits, tea and coffee powder, masala, cookies, snacks. Make your kitchen counter and pantry organized with this stylish jar, perfect for your beautiful home and kitchen. It helps you save space in your kitchen. Steel finish airtight lids to store the contents fresh. Square-shaped transparent glass jar for storing spices, cookies. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Frying pan. Naturally non-stick with proper seasoning and use, free from chemical coatings, making it safe for everyday cooking. Built for convenience and durability, safe for metal utensils and easy to clean in the dishwasher. Crafted with tri-ply technology, stainless steel inner layer, aluminum core, and stainless steel outer layer for even heat distribution and superior durability. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Dosa tawa. Made from superior grade cast iron which is stronger and fights rust longer. Can use metal ladles. Pre-seasoned with vegetable oil, will not rust with regular care. Can use high heat, spreads and retains heat well. Easy to cook in. Goodness of iron, non-toxic, no coating, naturally non-stick, healthy, tasty, crispy food. Extra thick 5 mm base, food will not burn or stick. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Pressure cooker. The safety valve is located under the lid handlebar so that when it operates the steam is safely deflected downwards. The gasket has minimum exposure to steam inside the cooker, does not rub every time the product is opened and closed, so lasts longer. Suitable for gas, electric, ceramic and halogen cooktops. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Kadai. Made from 100% natural cast iron, ensuring a healthy cooking experience. Free from chemicals and toxins, it enhances the nutritional value of your dishes. Suitable for traditional Indian dishes and modern recipes, bringing authentic flavor and versatility to your kitchen. Ideal for health-conscious cooks who want both delicious flavors and essential nutrients. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Hooks. Wall-mounted includes all parts for installation, no drill and screw required, super adhesive wall stickers, kitchen, bathroom, living room, fits any mounting surface with a smooth surface. Suitable for glass, tile, stainless steel surface. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Oil bottle. Made from high-quality stainless steel maintains good health and hygiene. Transparent and hygienic threaded lid prevents dust and insects to contaminate the spout. Anti-drip designed to prevent oil leaks and keeping the pot clean and dry. With a 500 milliliters capacity, this bottle is the perfect size for storing oil, vinegar, or other liquids. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Casserole. Advanced laser-etched honeycomb pattern ensures effortless food release and prevents sticking, allowing smooth cooking and easy cleaning without scratching or wear. Made from food-grade, premium 304 stainless steel cooking pot resists rust, stains, and odors. It also provides a thick base for even heating. Wide, riveted handles. Comfortable, balanced grip. Moves safely from the hob to the table. Vented lid for controlled steam. Designed for all cooktops, gas, induction, electric, and ceramic. The flat, warp-resistant base ensures steady contact and even heating, perfect for everything from daily soups to large batch stocks. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Cast iron Dutch. 100% natural cookware, no harmful chemical coatings, 100% toxin-free and food safe. Enriches food with iron, adds iron content to your meals that helps fight iron deficiency. Truly healthy cookware. Makes your dishes more delicious with a distinct flavor. Effortlessly cook your favorite dishes. Suitable for gas and induction stoves, OTGs and campfires. Cooks faster. Saves gas. Best in even heating and heat retention. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Kadai. Features a 3-layer construction, with an inner layer made of food-grade 18/8 stainless steel for healthy cooking, a middle layer of encapsulated aluminum for even heat distribution, and an outer layer of 430 magnetic stainless steel for induction compatibility. Even heat distribution enables fast cooking, which helps in preserving 85% of nutrients. Healthier dishes, for sure, 3 layers of metals from base to rim. Scratch and rust resistant surface. No dents or bulging. Aesthetically designed for enhanced safety and convenience. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Portable blender. Removable blade base for easy cleaning. Detach the blade base and all parts for a hassle-free cleaning experience. Powerful 75W motor with dual 2000 mAh battery ensures long-lasting performance and quick blending every time. BPA-free Trutton blending cup 500 ml capacity, perfect for smoothies, milkshakes, and ice crushing. 20 grams glass grinder cup, ideal for preparing baby food, grinding coffee beans, spices, and dry ingredients. Perfect for taking to the gym, office, or when traveling. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Containers. Airtight containers keep contents fresh and prevent spillage. Made from durable BPA-free and food-grade plastic. Clear containers with a unique lid designed to easily identify container contents. Multi-purpose containers. Can be used for storing different types of products. Perfect gifting option for festivities, weddings, housewarming parties. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Drawer. Maximize drawer and closet space with this compact organizer, designed to make the most of small spaces. Soft yet durable material prevents snagging and ensures lasting use. With clearly defined compartments, finding your socks or lingerie is fast. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Kettle. Is the ultimate electric kettle multipurpose solution for modern kitchens. Designed to steam and boil at the same time, it allows you to prepare a variety of meals quickly and conveniently. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Serving pot. This copper urli is made of good quality materials which show to add to its durability. These round classy copper bottom urli comes with copper base that helps heat to distribute evenly. They have very attractive silver shining. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Containers. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel for durability and long-lasting shine. 100% airtight and leak-proof, features 4-side clip lock with food-grade silicone seal to keep food fresh. Safe and healthy, BPA-free, odorless, dishwasher-safe for worry-free everyday use. Travel-friendly, compact size makes it easy to carry for school, office, or picnics. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Anodized handi. Ideal for making biryani and other gravies. Made from 3 mm thick aluminum material for healthier cooking and better heat conduction for faster cooking. Comes in 3.5 liters capacity and is compatible on gas stove. The riveted cool touch handle is firmly fixed, providing sturdiness, durability and firm grip. This cookware is non-toxic, scratch-resistant, durable, non-reactive and corrosion-proof. Comes with hard anodized lid to protect covering of food and also to reduce the cooking time. Is a modern version of the traditional Indian cooking utensil used for flavorful, less water cooking. Its lid holds water on the top and, on its underneath surface, condenses steam that rises from the food stirring in the handi. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Tawa. Durable, scratch-resistant non-stick coating, ensures effortless food release, easy cleaning, and long-lasting performance, making cooking and cleaning a breeze. High-quality aluminum alloy construction, provides excellent heat conductivity, even heating, and efficient cooking, allowing you to cook your favorite Indian dishes with ease. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Coffee maker. Is designed for travel in compact spaces. This French press is easy to carry, making it ideal for camping, office use, or small kitchens. Enjoy fresh coffee anywhere without hassle. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Sprout maker jar. Design patented glass sprouter, crafted from premium borosilicate glass that resists cracking, retains zero odor, and stays crystal clear even after years of daily use. Unlike ordinary thin glass copies that chip and cloud within months, our jar is built for families who sprout every single day. 720 milliliters capacity, perfect for 2 to 3 servings of fresh sprouts daily for a family of 4. Perfect angle for complete water drainage and air circulation, the two essentials for hygienic, mold-free sprouting. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Paniyaram pan. Is a versatile kitchen essential, crafting a variety of snacks from traditional up to aloo bonda, paneer kebabs, and more, all in minutes. Enjoy healthier, tastier, and crispier meals without the need for artificial coatings. Its ability to retain heat ensures even cooking and delicious results every time. As this frying pan is rugged, you can confidently use metal ladles without worrying about damaging its surface. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Lunch box. Preserve works great for takeaway meals as it keeps food hot or cold depending on the contents. Every preserve is individually insulated, so you can carry your favorite hot and cold dishes together and enjoy them the way they are meant to be. Preserve offers you endless flexibility. When you are in the mood for a one-pot meal like congee, pulao or khichdi, just carry one jar. On days when you want to share or indulge, carry more. It is also BPA-free and FDA certified. The metallic component is made of food-grade stainless steel. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Container. The lunch box comes with a split partition design, allowing you to separate different foods like fruits, salads, and main dishes. This design helps you maintain a nutritious, balanced diet by avoiding flavor mixing, keeping your meals fresh, clean, and perfectly organized. Built to withstand a wide temperature range, this lunch box is both microwavable and refrigerator safe. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Storage bag. Is made up of PVC material. The bag provides complete protection from dust, moths, moisture, and rain. You can store them for long periods of time without acquiring dust, water and moisture. Bag which are ideal for gifting in weddings or function, as well as it maximizes your storage space and is perfect for those not so frequently used items in your household. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Frying pan. Comes in 1.5 L capacity in 24 cm diameter size. It is compatible on induction oven and gas stove for maximum cooking flexibility in your kitchen. Ideal for variety of dishes, from breakfast to dinner, making it an essential addition to any kitchen. Encapsulated layer of aluminium for even heat distribution. Layer 3, SS430 magnetic stainless steel. The riveted handle is firmly fixed, providing sturdiness, durability and firm grip. This cookware is non-toxic, durable, non-reactive and corrosion-proof. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Lunch box. 100% borosilicate glass, durable and premium quality, made from 100% borosilicate glass. Our tiffin box offers a premium look and feel while being highly durable and resistant to thermal shocks. Unlike regular glass, it withstands high temperatures without breaking, making it perfect for daily use. Enjoy safe and stylish meal storage with a design that keeps food fresh without leaching harmful chemicals. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Milk frother. Get froth quickly. Double-layer stainless steel mesh plunger gives a very thick foam for your milk in less than 30 seconds. Moreover, the plunger mechanism is very smooth and very easy to use. Makes your life easier. This manual pump coffee frother will easily fit into your kitchen, allows for easy spill-free pouring, comes with glass carafe measurement markings, and is very easy to clean. Frother comes with a neoprene sleeve and a cleaning brush. Moreover, the neoprene sleeve protects your milk frother from accidental damages and scratches. Made of premium grade borosilicate glass material, this manual milk frother is rust-free, heat-resistant, not easy to deform, and durable for a long time use. This manual coffee frother helps you to make cafe-style cappuccino, lattes, and other specialty coffee from your home. Easily impress your friends and family with your barista skills. Ships in an elegant printed box that is perfect for gift giving. Give that someone special in your life something that they will definitely enjoy using. And, neoprene sleeve will protect your coffee frother from accidental damages and scratches. Product link is given in the 31st link.